In this session, we learn about trigonometric equations. See, what is trigonometric equations? Equations involving trigonometrical functions of variable are called trigonometrical equation. For example, you can see if sin x is equals to 1 upon 2. Here variable is x and this is a sine function. So, and sign of equality is also involved. So, we can say this is an example of trigonometric equations. मतलब कि ऐसे समीकरण जिसमें ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन हो और वेरिएबल हो, साइन ऑफ इक्वलिटी हो, तो उसे हम ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इक्वेशन कहते हैं. अब हम पहले से ही जानते हैं कि साइन एक्स और कॉस एक्स दे रिपीट देयर वैल्यू आफ्टर एन इंटरवल ऑफ 2 पाई, that is 360 degree, and tan theta or tan x it repeats its value after an interval of pi. So in this we will solve trigonometrical equation for principal solutions. तो ऐसी equations जिसमें x की वैल्यू से sin x is equals to 1 upon 2 है, x की वैल्यू ये 0 से 2 पाई के बीच में होगी, इसको हम लोग यहाँ पे जो x की वैल्यू मिलेगी इसे हम लोग कहेंगे प्रिंसिपल सोल्यूशन. तो इसका जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम टेकिंग sin x इज इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन 2. सो 1 अपॉन 2 मीन्स पॉजिटिव वैल्यू. वी नो sin थीटा इज पॉजिटिव फॉर फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट. सो वी कैन राइट हियर एज वी नो 1 अपॉन 2 sin थीटा की 1 अपॉन 2 वैल्यू कहाँ पे होगी 30 डिग्री, दैट इज pi by 6. So we can say sin pi by 6 is equals to 1 upon 2. So it means sin x is equals to 1 upon 2. It implies sin pi by 6 is equals to sin x, or we can say x is equals to pi by 6. तो एक वैल्यू तो ये मिल गई. दूसरा साइन थीटा पॉजिटिव होता है सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में. सो वी कैन से दैट साइन पाई बाय 6 कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड एज साइन पाई माइनस पाई बाय 6. पाई माइनस पाई बाय 6 क्यों लिखा? पाई दिस 180 माइनस थीटा और पाई माइनस थीटा इज द सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट. Therefore, sin pi by 6 is equals to sin. When we solve this will be 6 pi minus pi, that is 5 pi by 6. Okay. So what was pi by 6? X was here pi by 6. तो हमें यहाँ पे दो वैल्यू मिल गई, एक pi by 6 मिली और एक 5 pi by 6 मिली. ये दोनों वैल्यू they are between the interval 0 and 2 pi. So principal solution for sin x is equals to 1 upon 2 is pi by 6. X is equals to pi by 6 and 5 pi by 6. Similarly, we are taking another value. For example, tan x is equals to minus root 3. Tan x is equals to minus root 3. So we can say tan x is equals to minus tan root 3 means 60 degree, that is pi by 6. Okay. And we know negative, this is minus root 3. So tan theta for between 0 to 2 pi, tan theta is negative and negative in second and fourth quadrant. So it means we have to take two values. For second quadrant we can write as tan x is equals to tan pi minus pi by 6, because tan pi minus theta is equals to minus tan theta. Okay. So tan x is equals to tan 5 pi by 6. We can say x is equals to 5 pi by 6. This is the first solution, principal solution for the first value of x, that is 5 pi by 6. Now as we know tan theta is also negative for the fourth quadrant. So here we can write again tan x is equals to minus root 3. It implies tan x is equals to minus tan pi by 6 is equals to fourth quadrant, so we can write 2 pi minus theta, that is 2 pi minus pi by 6. This is 2 pi. Okay, so tan x is equals to, this will be plus because tan 2 pi minus theta is equals to minus tan theta. So tan x is equals to tan 2 pi minus pi by 6, or tan x is equals to tan, when we solve this becomes 6 2s are 12 minus pi, that is 12 pi minus pi is 11 pi by 6. So x will be 11 pi by 6. This is the second value of x. So principal solution for the equation tan x is equals to minus root 3 will be x is equals to 5 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. Similarly, we can take another value, another question. Suppose cos x is equals to 1 upon 2. So cos x is equals to 1 upon 2 for first quadrant. 1 upon 2 value is for 60 degree, that is pi by 3. So we can write it as cos x is equals to cos pi by 3 और x is equals to pi by 3. ये पहली वैल्यू हो गई. Now cos theta is positive in fourth quadrant because second and third quadrant its value is negative. So again we can, this is the first value of x. For second value, cos x is equals to 1 upon 2 or cos pi by 3. Cos x is equals to cos 2 pi minus pi by 3. Cos 360 minus theta is equals to plus cos theta. So it means cos x is equals to cos, again this value becomes 3 2s are 6 pi minus pi, so 5 pi by 3. That's why x is equals to 5 pi by 3. So principal solution of the equation cos x is equals to 1 upon 2 is pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3. These are the two values.